In precision manufacturing, even the slightest deviations can lead to catastrophic consequences. Traditional manual straightening is a process that relies heavily on the skill and experience of the operator, leading to inconsistent results and making quality control a constant challenge. To improve production efficiency and achieve consistent accuracy, automatic straightening technology provides a smarter solution. Our automatic straightening machine integrates precision measurement, intelligent calculating, and automatic correction into one system.